In this video, I'm going to talk about CIS30A Lab 2 Exercise 16, in which we're given a scenario of a restaurant and a customer, Katie, orders a burger, $9.99, milkshake, $5.25, fries, $2.75, tacos, $2.99, nachos, $5.25, and lemonade, $3.75. We are asked to write a program that determines the subtotal of Katie's order. The program must use a while loop and provide screen capture of script and output. So we are required to use the while loop for this. So to start, what we would have is we would have a list that contains Katie's food purchase, starting with the hamburger and until the end, which is the lemonade. Then we would have a subtotal variable, which is initialized at 0, and as it loops through, it's going to update the subtotal as it adds each of the price of the item into the subtotal. Then I'm using J. I also initialize that at 0. And I would say while J is less than the length of the foods, we would have the subtotal is subtotal plus food, each of the index of the food, which is food with the J index. And we wanted to update the counter, so we would have J is J plus 1. And we would print the subtotal amount is with the $sign. And in this case, I tried to make it fast and convenient, so I just used the round method where it would round to 2 digits. So we would round the subtotal to the 2 digits, 2 decimals places. So the subtotal amount of Katie's food order is $29.98. And again, this is using the while loop, and we were able to use the while loop to do a running sum or add up all the element values, and then we use the round method to round it off at 2 decimal place as we print that. And this concludes my instruction for Lab 2 Exercise 16, which covers the running sum for a restaurant order of foods using while loop.